Welcome my dear student in this new topic, and today's topic is the volatile type qualifier in embedded system. In the volatile type qualifier in embedded system, that it tells the compiler that the value of declared variables can be changed at any point of a time except the current statement. It applies to shared variables between ISRs and functions. The memory map hardware register. It also implies to the variable shared between multiple states. Also applies on the reading a volatile keyword with a variable, and the compiler turn off any optimization on that variable. It is declared as volatile data type space variable name, or data type volatile variable name, vice versa. For example, the volatile unsigned character X or unsigned character volatile X will be given here. The delay generation and infinite loop in embedded system. अगर आपको एम्बेडेड सी में डिले जनरेट करना होगा तो उसके लिए हाउ टू जनरेट दैट पर्टिकुलर डिले, and if you have to use the infinite loop in embedded system, and then how that particular infinite loop will be used in the embedded system, that we can see here. The delay are required in embedded application for the various purpose, such as giving the sufficient time to the user to view the displayed content, delay in its transmission and reception, etc. It is default to a program an accurate delay in embedded application, as it depends upon the clock frequency of target, processor and controller. The super loop based approach is taken, in which the infinite loop is created using the following control statement. There are some control statements which are used for the loop. The first one is infinite loop using while, which was the best approach, and in maximum doing the embedded C programming, while loop will be used at most of the time, and the syntax for this one is while one along with certain syntax, certain program here, that is infinite loop using while, which was the best approach. After that, the next one is infinite loop using do while. There is a difference between while and do while, is smallest difference between while and do while. In that, it is a do, along with that start bracket, end bracket, and between that it write a certain code, it write a certain program, and end with a while one. After that, the third one is infinite loop using for. That was the for loop, for with certain bracket. Between that there are some code of instruction. That for is in integer text conditional updates. And the next one is infinite loop using go to. That was a label underscore task to be repeated, go to the label. So these are the four different loops which are used in embedded system for giving for continuously adding a loop, infinite loop, and for also adding the delay while writing the embedded C program. Okay, so thank you very much.